Considering homeschooling? It can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll help you take the leap. We are Abeka, America's leading faith-based homeschool curriculum for pre-K through grade 12. For more than 48 years, we've helped millions of students excel. Our materials are written by actual teachers, and each one is tested in the classroom before being released. The proven approach our teachers use is spiral learning, which reinforces concepts all year long and across all subjects. This not only sparks your child's curiosity and helps them see the big picture, it also eliminates learning gaps and builds their confidence. We also help your child develop critical thinking skills, resulting in well-reasoned judgments supported by biblical principles. With our faith-based lessons, your child will grow morally and spiritually as well as intellectually. And our lesson plans help you stay on track and provide everything from discussion questions to fun activities. Here's a quick look at our flexible and user-friendly options. Abeka Academy brings the expertise of real teachers into your home via video lessons. You simply follow the provided daily guide to prepare each day's materials, and then monitor your child to ensure they watch the lessons and complete the work. With Abeka Academy, you choose from the accredited or independent study programs. Both programs are designed to be completed within 12 months. But with the accredited program, we validate your grading, send you official report cards and transcripts, and provide free standardized testing. Plus, when your child completes the 12th grade, they'll receive a diploma and can walk in our graduation ceremony. If your child needs more one-on-one instruction and interaction, our parent-led approach may be the right choice for you. We support you with curriculum, lesson plans, and other helpful resources. You can also tailor your child's curriculum to best match your needs. For example, if you don't feel comfortable teaching math, you can purchase a block of video streaming hours to teach that one subject. Order your materials individually or in convenient kit options. There are child kits and parent kits by both single subject and full grade. When you order a full grade kit or the Abeka Academy option, you'll have everything you need for the entire school year. Find ordering worksheets, a detailed online catalog, and other helpful tools on abeka.com. Or simply chat with or call an Abeka customer service representative who will help you make your order. You can also take advantage of our 10-month payment plan for any purchase over $350. We're here to help. Every stage, every smile.